Today I'm making one of my favorite new dishes, egg roll in a bowl. All you need is a bag of coleslaw, any type of breakfast or pork sausage. I like Jimmy Dean, green onions, seasoned rice vinegar, sesame oil, cocoa aminos, which I love, minced garlic, minced ginger, and 2 eggs. So I like to use this big skillet because everything's gonna go in one dish, which is what I really love about this. I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up, add a little bit of olive oil, and start off by browning the pork sausage. Such a tasty dish, but I love that everything is in one pan. I love the smell of this. It smells so good. So now that the pork is all browned up, we're gonna go ahead and add some ginger. I'll add a little more, I love ginger. Add some minced garlic. Obviously, if you have fresh, that's fine. I would say that's about 1.5 tablespoons. We're gonna mix that in. Mix into the sausage mixture. Next, we're gonna add this bag of coleslaw. This is a 16-ounce bag. I'm actually probably gonna add about 3/4 of the bag because most times the bags are smaller. I think this is about double the size, but honestly, it's vegetables. It's good for you. We're gonna mix that in. Now we're gonna add in the rice vinegar. I just give it a generous dose of that, and I love cocoa aminos, so I add a bunch of that and mix it all in. Next up, green onions. I love using my kitchen shears for this. It makes it so easy. Now what we're gonna do is make some space in the middle. Think of just creating a little hole, add in sesame oil, and here's where you're gonna put your 2 eggs. You're gonna let these cook up so they're scrambled, mix and fold them all throughout your mixture, and voila. And we're done. Thanks for cooking with me. This is credited to Low Carb State of Mind. She has some great recipes. Definitely check her out. Thank you. This is like my new fave, and I'll have it all week.